Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. So in today's video we'll be talking about how to get more views as a small YouTuber or as a beginner on YouTube. So we all know that as a small YouTuber or a new YouTuber, the problem we mostly encounter in our channel is low views, and again we also encounter low watch hour rate. And what do I mean by this low watch hour rate? I mean the time a viewer spent on our video before clicking off from the video. So what you have to bear in mind as a new YouTuber is that for a new YouTuber, most of your video, if not all of your video, should be based on search volume or should be based on search. What do I mean here? Do not go naming your video or titling it by the idea that comes to your head. So before naming your video, you should name it based on what people are searching for, what people are looking for on the platform. So for you to do this, or let's take for instance that you are a new YouTuber, you don't have any money on you to pay for all these tools that help you to see what people are searching on a daily basis or monthly basis. Then we have to make use of YouTube platform just by putting the key point of what video we want to make. What do I mean by this? Take for instance, you are teaching about how to grow your YouTube channel and your key point is growth and YouTube, or you are teaching how to get more view. Your key point should be more view on YouTube. Now if you put in these words on YouTube search box or search bar, then leave it for some time for YouTube to be able to complete it for you. And here now you get to see suggested keywords in which you will use for your titling of your video. Then once you are done with this one, you can now go and make video around that title or around that name suggestion that YouTube gave you. Once you are done with it, then for you to formulate a title or to form a title or a name give to that video, take for instance, you cannot do it by yourself. You can also head to ChatGPT to form the title or to formulate the name for the video. So once you are done with this one and you are done making your videos, you now give the name, or you now put in the name which you got the suggestion or the search volume, if I should use that word, from YouTube, and then name it. Then you now go and upload this video. But bear in mind, before you upload this video to YouTube, bear in mind that YouTube also suggests your videos to other audience. So before uploading these video to YouTube, you have to for a moment think about who may be my suggested audience to that YouTube may show this video to. To be able to do that, you head to ChatGPT or any site like ChatGPT, and then write what your video is all about, and then it will help you to write your suggested viewers on YouTube. Thereby you will now make use of it with the suggestion YouTube gave you when you typed in your keywords on YouTube search bar. Then with it together, you'll be able to use it to form your description of your video before or when uploading the video. Also guys, also use the suggested words or suggested keywords you got from your earlier search on your video titling or naming from YouTube platform as your tags, and then categorize your video in a right category. But then before I publish my video or I make my video to go live, I do schedule my videos for 2 hours to enable YouTube to go throughout my video or through my video to be able to understand what my video is all about and able to suggest it or push it to the right audience, thereby making me to get more views. So guys, this is it, and like I said earlier, all your videos for now should be based on search volume or should be based on search. Do not title your video based on your own idea on your head. Make your video or title your video based on search. If you don't have the money to pay for tools to give you or to show you search what people are searching for, you can make use of Google Trend, or you can make use of YouTube platform search box, so and wait for it to give you suggested search. Then you'll be able to use that to grade your videos. But one thing you should go away with this is that all your videos for now should be based on search, not based on ideas. And this is how you'll be able to get more audience and able to gain more retention in your video. I hope I'm able to make more sense or convince you. And if you found any value in this video, do remember to like my video, share it to your friends, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.